Heyo heyo, hello HEXX fans, back with another video, and this time back with part 6 of our Minecraft adventure. And yeah, it's been like past 2 days, I think. I haven't posted a new video, and I'm glad to be back. The hell, right? So this is where we last stopped. So we're gonna be on a hunt for some diamonds, I guess. We're gonna be looking for some diamonds in today's episode. Diamonds, or either iron or steel. That's what I like to call it. Iron, and then maybe probably some redstones. That's what I'd like to get. Give me a sec. Excuse me. Okay. We need a few blocks to make this perfect. Okay. We're gonna have to be looking for we'll probably see some the ores around here somewhere. Maybe probably behind this mountain. I don't know, let's go check it out. Like I said last time, we can't go too far, so yeah. See some lava over here. I'm gonna have to stop that first, cause it's gonna get us all killed. There, much better. Now we have to mine. I'm just looking for some iron ore here somewhere we could use. Seen anything yet? Just rows of blocks over here. Maybe we should go dig down. Oh, this is what's really hard. Once you get down, then you like don't bring any torches and stuff. It's gonna suck. Hmm. Wait, is that coal? Better be coal. Nah, it's not. Well, I can hear some spiders here. I hope we don't end up in a cave or something. What's this? Some stone. Damn it, I can't see. Looks like we'll be finding no iron here. I won't be looking over there. I'll probably have to look somewhere else. That was a bad place to look. Hmm. Maybe this will do. Might have some iron here somewhere. Nah, I don't think so. We're gonna have to mine to regular ground. We're gonna have to like mine through the grass. since there's no iron ore over there. Oh man. Spider. I'll just mine here. Goes much better. Okay. Iron ore, iron ore. Probably might be some down over here, not sure. What the hell? Oh shit. Landed in some kind of cave, guys. There's water here. Oh, and there we go. Finally. Found some iron ore here. Which is good. Perfect. Iron ore. Now we could, as long as we got iron ore, now we could mine and get some diamonds, I guess. Find some diamonds around here if we get lucky. Okay. Now we should head up now. It's not safe here. We gotta hurry up before it gets dark, cause those mobs are gonna be there anytime soon. We have to hurry up. Those zombie babies are annoying as hell. Jeez. Okay. Sundown's coming. Better head backside. Okay. Man, it really sucks there's no trees here. Looks like I'm gonna have to be like traveling to the other end to get some. Gonna rest first. Gonna wait for the next day. Then continuing and getting some. We're gonna be making a stove as well. I mean furnace. Whatever. Here we put in 4 blocks of iron and maybe I should use some blocks. I'm gonna probably use some blocks for now since I've got no coal to make it much faster. Oh shit, sorry. I'm really gonna have to use this. It's really important. Gonna have to block this up with diorite. Much better. Okay. Phew. Alright. Got some blocks. 3. Then we're gonna be making a pickaxe for the diamond blocks in case we get one. For iron ingots. Okay, one more to go. And done. Perfect. I just have to craft my pickaxe. Okay. Perfect. Now I have a steel pickaxe, or should I say iron pickaxe. I just like saying steel. Don't judge though, I love saying steel. Okay. Now we could like mine through some other blocks like diamond and red ore. Perfect mining tool. Okay.